Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Every AI video tool promises the same thing, then hands you a raw, half-finished clip and says, "Good luck editing this yourself." No captions, no transitions, no voiceover, just pieces. This is StudioCut, the world's first AI edit technology. While every other AI tool gives you raw clips to edit yourself, StudioCut delivers a completely finished cinematic video. Text, sound, voiceover, all done, all under 60 seconds. Here's the StudioCut dashboard. Everything you need in one place. Total productions, what's queued, what's published, all tracked automatically. But let's see the magic happen. All it takes is one click on New Production. And that's it. We're ready to turn an idea into a finished video. Step 1. Content and style. This is where you tell StudioCut what you want. Start with a title, then pick your content type. And look at everything it accepts. Articles, scripts, bullet points, just a topic, product info, tutorials, a URL, even an RSS feed or a PDF. Whatever you've got, StudioCut turns it into a video. Paste it in, and you're already halfway there. No blank screen, no starting from scratch. Then set your format: landscape, portrait, or square, your platform, style, tone, even your target audience. Cinematic, professional, built for YouTube, all in a few clicks. This is scene-level control before a single frame is even generated. Step 2. Voice and audio. Pick your language, your voice, your sound. Choose your voiceover language and even batch generate the same video in multiple languages at once. Then browse a full voice library. Dozens of natural AI voices filtered by provider, gender, or quality tier. Preview any voice before you commit, then fine-tune it. Speed, pitch, even excitement level from calm to super excited. Add background music that matches your brand, and just like that, your video has a voice. Step 3. Branding and media. This is where the video becomes yours. Add your brand name, your call to action, your exact brand colors, your fonts, save it all as a preset, so every future video matches instantly. And here's where you decide how hands-on you want to be. Leave Auto Approve off, and StudioCut builds your plan first, every scene, every detail, and hands it to you for review. Change anything before a single asset gets created. Turn it on, and StudioCut runs the entire production end-to-end automatically. No review, no waiting, just idea in, finished video out. Full control or full automation, you choose. Step 4. Review and create. Everything in one place before you commit. Your title, your content, your voice, your style, your platform, every choice you made, laid out clearly. Nothing hidden, nothing to guess. Auto Approve is on, so the moment you click Save and Start Phase 1, StudioCut takes over completely. Planning the storyboard, generating every asset, directing the scenes, rendering the final video, prepping it for publishing. 5 phases, fully automated, start to finish. Let's open a completed production so you can see exactly what StudioCut builds behind the scenes. The overview shows everything planned out from your inputs: content, style, voice, branding, all of it at a glance. Now here's where it gets interesting. If Auto Approve is on, the plan is created and production starts immediately. No pause, no waiting. If it's off, you see this. A complete story arc: hook, opening, rising action, climax, resolution, mapped out scene by scene. 5 scenes, emotional pacing from frustration to recognition to confidence, all before a single frame is rendered. Click into any scene and you get total control. Key points, exact visual direction, transitions, background, every creative decision laid bare and editable. This is scene-level customization no other AI video tool gives you. Next, assets. Every single piece StudioCut generated to build this video. Background videos and images for each scene, all listed and organized. And every scene gets its own voiceover clip, generated and ready to sync. Nothing assembled by hand. Everything is created automatically, scene by scene. Direction is where it all comes together visually. 5 scenes, each one styled, framed, and paced, from the opening hook all the way to the final logo lockup. Every visual choice laid out and reviewable before final rendering. And here it is, the finished video. Fully rendered, fully edited, ready to download or share a review link with your team or client. 1 file, done. 1 idea, 5 automated phases. A fully edited cinematic video, voiceover, captions, branding, even your thumbnail and title, all done. No editing skills, no timeline, no juggling 5 different apps. This is StudioCut, the world's first AI edit technology, built to finish your videos, not just start them. Your idea is ready. Now go make it a video.